Guys, today's learning lesson we will talk something about the ego. You know, ego has a lot of to do with the thing called I am this, I am that, I have done this, I have done that. And sometimes the ego is also attached to the self, the identity we try to create on ourselves. I would like to share you one beautiful a beautiful story, a real life story from the book Ego is My Enemy by Ryan Holiday. So, Ryan Holiday was a person who was an excellent marketer, and at the age of 19, he struggled a lot to achieve finances and get settled in his career to earn money. At the age of 21, he earned a lot of money. He became a good marketer. At the age of 24, everything got shattered, and he broke, and he became financially broke. So, when he started to do his self-inquiry, he got a message from his friend. He asked his friend, like, what is happening. So he said, Ryan Holiday's friend said, when you are new, you are in that learning phase, you are eager to know a lot of things, but when you settle down in the position, ego start hitting you. Oh, I don't need to know, I have accomplished, I have done this, I have got this, I have sorted it out, I have figured it out. And what happens after a certain period of time, this ego started killing him. He shattered completely in terms of finances, and then he made a tattoo on his hand, and the tattoo was Ego is My Enemy. So to calm down your ego, you have to always keep on learning. One of the best quote I like from, I think it's the philosopher is Aristotle or Socrates, I'm not sure. He said the greatest wisdom is knowing that I know nothing. A lot of people have that thing called I know it. I was attending one workshop, and the trainer gave a very beautiful example. He said there was one of his classmate, and he said whenever we used to ask him or tell him anything, he says, हाँ मुझे पता है, मुझे सब पता है. And he used to prepare himself first hand with everything, and like मुझे पता है. So it's important to always keep on upgrading yourself so that your ego calms down. A lot of people now have that attitude. If they have done little single thing, they will be like, okay, I am this, I am that. A little success in game, a little success in dating puts your ego on the high. To calm down the ego, always have that attitude of learning. Remember, if you are not upgrading, you are downgrading. So make yourself in such a way that whatever you know, that the philosophy I adopt is like, right now whatever I am doing, it's not actually I am doing. Lao Tzu's philosophers and a lot of other philosophers have that philosophy of dissolving their ego. Remember, the more you attach yourself with, oh, this has happened, I have done this, I have accomplished this, I earn so much, I have amazing success in game. The person who enjoys lot in success is the same person who becomes miserable when the things don't go right according to his way. The person who gets too excited in happiness is the most miserable person when the things go wrong. So to calm down the ego, there are two things. Whatever happens, be thankful, appreciative, but don't take the credit. If the things go according to your way, don't take the credit. Oh, I have done this, that, I know this, that. And the second important thing is always keep learning, always keep upgrading. And if you're not upgrading, you're downgrading, and the ego will rise. So stay tuned, guys, and wait for the next learning lessons. That's all. Have a great day.